Welcome to the course Probability and Statistics, presented by Dr. Amira RAHAI from the University of Muhammad Sharif Mesadia, Suka Haras. In this course, we'll explore how to handle data and draw meaningful conclusions using the concepts of probability and statistics. This course covers the basic principles of probability and statistics. It focuses on statistical analysis of one and two variable data, combinatorial methods, probability theory, and random variables. Students will learn to organize and interpret data, apply probability rules, and work with common probability distributions such as binomial, Poisson, and normal distributions. The course combines both theoretical concepts and practical applications. First, we start with part of statistics, which is including introduction and basic definitions, one variable statistical series, two variable statistical series. In this video, we will show the Chapter 1 under the title Introduction and Basic Concepts. Objectives of Chapter: differentiate between qualitative and quantitative variables, as well as discrete and continuous ones. Classify variables based on their measurement nature and modalities. Illustrate variable assignment using practical population examples. Identify the relationship between the codomain of a variable and its statistical nature. What is statistics? Statistics, as a field of study, is the science concerned with developing and studying methods for collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting empirical data. On the other hand, statistics, as a numerical fact, are a set of numerical data on a specific subject. These data can be presented in the form of tables or graphs, for example, information about the size of populations and armed forces. The process of statistics. The first step in any statistical investigation is asking a precise question. Without a well-defined question, we can't know what data to collect or what type of analysis to perform. This question forms the foundation of the entire study. Once we have our research question, we begin collecting the data. Whether through online surveys, lab experiments, or national databases, the accuracy and relevance of this data are essential for drawing valid conclusions. After gathering the data, we describe and analyze it. Using visual tools and statistical measures, we uncover patterns, trends, and relationships that help us make sense of the information. Interpreting results means answering the question we started with. What do the numbers tell us? Is there a pattern, a relationship, or perhaps an unexpected outcome? This step transforms data into actionable knowledge. Now we talk about the basic concepts of statistics. Population. A population, noted omega, is a finite set of people or objects on which the study will be based. The size of the population is given by n equals card omega. Individual. Individual is any element of the population omega. In a simplified way, individuals are the people or objects included in the study. Sample is a constructed subset of a given population. Character or statistical variable. A character variable is any application x defined by omega in a set E such that omega equals the set of omega 1, omega 2. Omega I, x from omega to E, and omega I to x of omega I, where E is a set of modalities where the modalities are the distinct responses by x where variable to be studied. Modality is the different headings associated with a character. Practical example. If we are studying students and ask about gender, the population is all students. The sample is a selected 100 students. The variable is gender, and the modalities might be male and female. Type of character or variable. We have two types of character. The first, qualitative variables whose responses are not measurable, and the second, quantitative variables whose responses are measurable and can be discrete. The responses are countable or isolated, usually integers or continuous. The set of responses are intervals in R. Examples of variable types. Qualitative variables. Examples of measurable numerical data: gender, male, female. Marital status: single, married, divorced. Eye color: blue, brown, green. Nationality: Algerian, Tunisian, Moroccan. Type of cuisine: Italian, Chinese, Indian. Preferred social media platform: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Quantitative variables. Examples of measurable numerical data: discrete variables, number of children in a family, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Number of cars owned, 1, 2. Number of exam attempts, first, second, third. Number of calls received per day, 5, 8, 10. Continuous variables, height, from 170.5 centimeters to 165.2 centimeters. Weight, from 62.4 kilograms to 75.8 kilograms. Temperature, from 36.6 degrees Celsius to 38.1 degrees Celsius. Income, from 45,000.75 DZD to 89,120.00 DZD. Time taken to complete a task, from 12.4 minutes to 15.8 minutes. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and for any inquiries, feel free to contact us via email. Thank you for your watching.